Hey y'all, I'm Cam, and in this short video what I'm going to do is introduce a workshop called Instant Community Building. And what this addresses is we are in a world where some of the most important relationships we're going to make are going to happen virtually. We're going to meet people through Zoom and through web conferencing, and we're not going to meet them in person. And so as such, we need to get a better understanding of how do relationships form, how do we navigate a social life, a professional life, a network in a purely online environment. And we've been doing this in various ways through social media and other types of things, but my take is that web conferencing and Zoom and things like that are a little bit different. So in this session, what we're going to do is take some learnings and lessons and frameworks from a researcher, a psychological researcher named Arthur Aarons. And what he did was ran experiments to understand how does closeness develop between people. And he and his team developed this set of questions that have gradually escalating levels of, I don't want to say intimacy, I'll just say closeness. And they started testing these and having strangers meet and have a conversation around these questions. And what was really interesting was it turned out to be a really magical experiment for the people doing it. It also turned out that one pair actually fell in love and got married. And so I have since seen some people experiment with this model. I've seen entrepreneurs experiment with this, with trying to find co-founder pairs. And I've been running this model for a few different times with other folks. And it's just a really interesting way to understand what it means to meet someone online in 2020. And in so doing, you're gonna learn a few things about this, but you're also gonna meet someone interesting. So that's what this workshop is about, and I'm excited that you're interested in doing it.